In this video, I will show you how to reset the picture settings of your Samsung Smart TV and fix any issue with the picture quality looking too bad or frustrating, or in the case where you have unintentionally messed with the picture settings of your Samsung Smart TV, then resetting the picture settings might just help you fix any issue with the picture quality of your Samsung Smart TV. And to do this, what you want to do is to use your remote control to head over to the settings of your Samsung Smart TV. So use these navigation buttons over here and then navigate to the left hand side until you get to the settings icon, which is this gear icon. Now go ahead and select it just like so. Now from the picture settings over here, you want to scroll over to the right and then scroll down to where you have expert settings over here. Go ahead and click on it, and then you also just want to scroll down until where you get to reset picture over here. Now go ahead and select this option and then scroll over to the left and select reset. Now automatically the picture settings of your Samsung Smart TV is going to be reset, and if there is any issue or problem with the picture settings, or you've messed with the picture settings of your Samsung Smart TV, this should help you get everything back to normal. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.